Keep a bottle upright in your handbag by using an elastic band and a safety pin. Now it's stable. Don't do this. This is the right way to close an open package of pasta. Protects your toothbrush while traveling. Here's a smart way to reuse the packaging for parchment paper. Put these serrated strips around your duct tape roll to make tearing off easier. Without taking precautions, the lotion risks leaking. If the bag is too small, you can do this. Take another bag, turn it inside out, and put it over the tube of lotion. Like this, you can join the two bags together. Now, your lotion is perfectly sealed. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, close the top of a plastic bag by using a spatula. Use a flame to heat seal the bag. Give it a try. Can't put a knot in a balloon? Try using a hanger. If your curtains won't close properly, use a hanger with clips to do this. Hairbrushes should be cleaned regularly. To remove any stuck hair, use a fork. As good as new. Aluminum foil will make your ironing more efficient. The foil reflects the heat, improving the iron's performance. After trying this technique, you'll never fold your jeans in any other way again. This way, your jeans are neater and you save space in your closet.